Okay, number 9. It says you work for a paving company and need to give a school a cost estimate for paving the playground. A scale drawing of the playground is shown below. The cost, labor, and materials for the pavement is $6 per square feet. Part A, what is the area of the playground? Part B, what is the cost to pave the area of the playground? Okay, so first, I want to find the area of the playground. I notice that I see 2 shapes. I see a half circle or a semicircle, and then I see a trapezoid. So I'm going to have to find the area of both of those and then add them together to get the total area of the entire shape. So I'm going to start with the circle. So remember, when you're doing area of the circle, make sure you're looking under the area to use the right formula. Don't just use this one because you see circle first. You're going to area. So pi times radius squared. Alright, so we're going to go, well, let's use 3.14 on this one. See where that takes us. Since these are kind of big measurements here, we probably need to be a little bit more accurate. So our radius, so I'm looking at my circle, right, to try to figure out my radius. So it's not the whole circle, but I can pretend, right, on the side I can pretend, right, that that's what I'm looking at. So when they give me this piece right here, that's not going all the way across, so that means that that must be the radius. So if that piece is 60, that means this piece is 60. So the whole diameter would be 120, but I don't need the diameter, I just need the radius, which is 60. So we'll put 60 here to the 2nd power. Remember, you always do order of operations, so 60 times 60. So 2 zeros, 1 0, 2 zeros, 6 times 6 is 36. So our area is going to be 3.14 times, for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this out with the calculator. 3.14 times 3600 equals, so the area I think I want to do that one more time just to make sure. I wonder if I didn't put the decimal. 3.14 times 3600 equals, no, it was right. What's the units in this? Feet squared. Okay, so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, this represents what? The area of what? The whole circle. But I don't have a whole circle. I only have half of a circle. So that means I need to take this and I need to divide it by 2 to take half, right? So again, just for the sake of time, I'm going to put this over here. So I'm going to take that, we're going to divide it by 2. So the area half the circle is 5,652 square feet. Okay, so our next shape is going to be a trapezoid. Since I have all this space in here, I'm just going to find the area right in here. So looking for the formula for the area of the trapezoid, and I get 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Do you remember what the bases of the trapezoid are? That's right, they're the parallel sides. So I look for the parallel sides. I look at the top and the bottom. It's going straight. That one's going straight. Pretty sure those are parallel. I'm going to look at the sides. This one's straight up, but this one's crooked. So if these kept going, they would meet somewhere down here somewhere, right? So those are not parallel. So our bases are the top and the bottom in this case. So 6, not 60, Miss Johnson, that's a 70. 70 plus 120. And then our height, for your right angle, 60. But is that all the way down? No. So we got to figure out what it is from here to here, right? So if this is 60, remember that's the radius of that circle, right? So this over here would also be 60. So 60 plus 60, so all of this would be 120 feet would be that height. So 120 feet. So our area is going to be half of 70 plus 120 is 190 times 120. So I think if I take half of one of these, is it easy? Half of 190 or half of 120? Well, I know half of 12 is 6. So half of 120 should be, that's right, 60. So we're going to do 60 times 190. I should put the 190 at the top. And for the sake of time, we're just going to do that on a calculator. It's going to give us 11,400. Do I have to do anything to that, or is that going to be the answer? Like this one, I had to divide it by 2. Nope, I want that whole trapezoid, right? So 11,400 square feet. So the area of the whole thing, that's right, we're going to have to take the area of the half circle and the area of the trapezoid and add it together. So the total area is going to be 11,400 plus 5,652. So 17,052 square feet. So that would be the answer to the first question. Okay, let's up a little bit. Now the second question says, what is the cost to pave the playground? Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at my word problem and I'm going to look for something that has to do with cost. Okay, because we're looking for cost, the cost of the pavement. Okay, so paving company, scale drawing, the cost. Okay, here's something about cost. The cost for the pavement is $6 per square foot. Okay, so $6 per square foot. So that's $6 for the first one, $6 for the second square foot, $6 for the third square foot, $6 to the fourth square foot. So $6 is going to repeat a whole bunch of times. That $6 is going to repeat 17,052 times. Holy cow, that's a lot. So to get the answer to this, we're going to have to say 17,052 square feet times $6 per square foot. So that's 12, 31, 3, 42. Whew, it's expensive. $102,312. That is some expensive. What are they even doing? Pavement.